This video is a bit of a strange one because I'll be showing you how to practice singing without making a sound. And you may be asking, what's the purpose of that? Well, it's to pay attention to the sensations that occur in your body as you're about to sing. You may remember from other videos that I talked about the differences between a trained singer and an untrained singer. And a trained singer knowing what's going to happen before it does, so to be really aware of what sound is coming out, whereas an untrained singer is just really kind of hopeful when they perform that the right thing is going to happen. So paying attention to the sensations that occur in your body and in your throat and your tongue position and your mouth shape will really make you aware of what you need to do to create the right sound every single time. So think about a line of a song and imagine the first note or the first word of the song that you're about to sing. And now get your body in position as though you're just about to create that sound. So when you're just about on the edge of making that noise, where is your tongue? What shape is your mouth in order to deliver that? What's happening in your throat? What other sensations can you feel in your body? Paying attention to those details without any sound at all will really help you to focus on what should be happening when you're making sound. Because very often when we sing, we concentrate totally on the sound that we're making and we don't pay enough attention to these sensations that are in the body. And they really do make the difference between a professional singer and an untrained singer. So experiment with sensation singing. So that's practicing the lines of your song by just getting your body and your throat and your mouth in the positions for the notes, so you get a real sense of what that feels like. I hope this video has been useful. Don't forget to click subscribe to keep up to date with other videos as I post them.